Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So our today's task is how to select color scheme for your WordPress website. So in this task, we will share 10 handpicked color palette along with hex codes, best use cases, real website examples. So this is the step-by-step procedure that we will see in this video. So first we understand what is website color scheme. So website color scheme is a thoughtfully selected set of colors used across website to create a consistent, attractive visual experience. It includes three main parts, that is primary, secondary, and accent colors applied to your background, buttons, typography, text, buttons, and other UI elements in your WordPress website. So these colors work together to reflect your brand identity, influence user emotions, and it will also improve usability, readability for your WordPress website. So next we understand why are color schemes important for website. A website color scheme is more than just decoration. So it is powerful communication tool that shapes your user how feel, perceive your brand and take an action of your site. So first is brand identity. So colors are deeply tied for branding. So if you are thinking about Coca-Cola, so the color you recognize, that is red color. If you think about Facebook, Instagram, like Facebook for blue, you can for Instagram, for WhatsApp. If you can recognize about WhatsApp, it will shows about color the green. So like this, a consistent scheme builds instant recognition and trust about that site. So second thing is user experience. Like color helps guide users for drawing attention to buttons, forms, or headlines inside the website. So good contrast and balance improve the readability, and it will also reduce the eye strain of users. So third thing is emotional impact. So different color have a different emotions. Like blue color represents the trust and calm, like that red color will display, like we also say red is danger, like that is also represent in a site energy, urgency or emergency. Like this green color represents the nature and health, like this in a hospital's website, like we use the like decent colors, blue, white, like this different color trigger the different emotions. So fourth one is engagement and conversion. So smartly chosen accent color can increases the clicks, like buy now or subscribe, like this, or form submissions and sales in marketing sites. You can use this color combination for buttons that click more, so you can get the more opportunity. So in even small tweaks can significantly boost conversion rates. Now we will see that how to choose and implement a website color scheme. So choosing the right color scheme is not just preference, but it is strategic decision that should reflect your brand purpose and appeal to your audience. So how to do this? So there are steps. So first one is we have to define your brand personality. If your brand is fun and youthful or elegant, luxurious or eco-conscious or natural, like this you can choose the colors for that site. If your brand type is modern and tech, in that case you can go with the blue, white, or gray. Like in if your site is luxury and for fashion related, in that case you can go with a black, gold, or deep purple. Like this, there is a third one, that is organic and natural. In that case, where the natural word is come, there is a color defines the green. So you can go with a green color. Like this, you can go also with a brown cream color. If your site is for fun, entertainment, or social media like this, in that case, you can go with a pink, orange, or teal. So this is the trending colors that displays here. Now you have to understand what target audience. your target audience for. So different age groups, cultures, and industry respond to differently for your site. Like youngster audience may prefer bright and pastel tones. Like this corporate users may favor muted or neutral tones. Like this global brand should avoid culture color like conflicts. So example, white color, it is some countries they use. So you have to learn the basic color theory. Like you have to combine color effectively that matches your website brand. Like complementary colors like opposite on color wheel, high contrast you can use. Also you can go with the next to each other like blue, teal, green. Also you can go with the traditional colors evenly spread like vibrant or balanced. For understanding these type of colors how to use, you can also go with these tools here I mentioned in this article. That is, I also provide the link for that, so you can click on here and go with that tool, and you also learn about this basic theory about colors combination. So these are the tools, that is Co-Colors, Adobe Color and Peloton. So these are the tools to learn the basic theory about the color combinations. So now we will forward with the next step, that is fourth one. We have to choose two, three core colors that uses the 60-30-10 rule for visual balance on your WordPress site. So 60% dominant means background and sections. Mostly we use in a site, a WordPress site, like backgrounds and sections are mostly used. So for that you have to use 60% color. The main color is the primary color. So primary color is displayed 60%. For a secondary, like buttons or headings in your sections, like text, for that you can use this 30% color, that is secondary, like menus, sidebars, or 10% that is accent, like button, links, highlight, text. For that, you can use this 10% color, that is accent color. So like this, you can uh, choose your color, like first one is primary, secondary, and third one is accent. So these are the three basic color rules you can apply. Now we will see how to apply these colors in WordPress. So we will go with the WordPress site. So this is my dashboard of WordPress site. So here you can see this is it uses the Elementor for page building. So we will go with the one of the page. So this is the home page. I will click on edit. Here you can click on edit with Elementor. Here you can see this is the option here, that is site setting. We have to click on it. First we have to go with the any of the page or post in your site that uses the Elementor to build. So here after clicking this, here you can see this is the site setting option. We have to click on it. Here you can see this is the option called global colors. We have to click on it. So here you can see I already set the colors, that is primary, secondary for text and accent. So like this, here you can see this is the option called add color. You can click on it. So you can delete it, and if you install the theme inside your site, then it applies the site theme colors to your site, that is for buttons or text it applies the default colors. If you don't want that default colors, you can apply from here, that is global colors. You have to toggle on button for this option, and after that there are the options, that is primary, secondary, text and accent. You have to give and you have to apply this color here, and after that we have to click on save changes. So I have already applied here, so I will not change for now. Like this, you can go with the colors, fonts, geography, buttons. like this. So I have show you some of the examples. Like here, I added the screenshot, that is website color trends 2025. So this is the latest color palette. So you can see this is the soft green and ivory color combination for this site, that is wildlife. It is used by this site. So it will perfect for eco-friendly or organic brands. That is green color it uses. So green symbolize the growth and nature, and it is sprayed with a ivory, so it feels open and breathable. So it is ideal for environmentally conscious website and NGOs. So it is mostly used for eco-friendly or organic brands, that is green color. Like this, here you can see this is the color gradient, that is white, dark blue. So this site is uses this clean white, deep navy and modern gradient to reflect innovation and fintech professions. So this is this site. So this is the financial site. So it displays the gradient color, you can see. Now for hospitalized websites, it displays the color combination like decent colors. So this is the site. Here you can see for a background, they apply the gray, that is, and for a heading also they displays the dark blue. So the minimal color combination they uses. So like brand, how your displays your site brand, how they use that color combination for that their site. So this clean blues that inspires the trust and clarity. So typical for medical and health information site, they uses the decent colors like light blue or white colors or gray colors. So this is the orange and yellow. So this website uses the color scheme for orange and yellow. So that creates the warm and inviting for looking. So if you see this screenshot, you actually after seeing this screenshot, you can order the something food because it looks very attractive. So like this, how your brand display that represent your site, you can choose that color. So choosing the right website color scheme is essential for creating a strong brand identity, enhancing the user experience and driving engagement. So by selecting the colors that resonate with your industry and audience, you can communicate your brand's values effectively and make your site visually appealing and memorable. So use these proven color palettes and tips to design your WordPress website that stands out in 2025 and beyond. So this step-by-step procedure for this task is completed. Thank you.